This dance is called Other Side of the Hill. It's a 32 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance with one step change and one restart. Starting on the right foot, we are chassing to the right with a quarter turn on the end, side close turn. Make a further quarter turn right as you rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the left over the right. Into a hinge half turn, so it's quarter turn left, she step the right back, quarter turn left, she step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. Half rumba box forward, left to the side, right beside left, step left forward. That set of steps once more then, chassé, quarter turn, off on the right. 7, 8, chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side close step. And on a mambo half, so you could rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, turn half a turn right as you step that right forward. Half shuffle over the right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Into a coaster step, right foot leading. Then you're going to shuffle forward on the left, but shuffling and facing that right diagonal 130. Left shuffle. That set of steps once more then, mambo half off on the right. 7, 8, mambo half, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in that set of steps with your mambo half, half shuffle turn. Should you need to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on that right. That's the equivalent of your mambo half. Then rather than doing that further half shuffle turn, just shuffle back on the left. Then you can join in with everybody else, coaster step, left shuffle to that diagonal. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn equivalent in that section. Let's add that to the top. Chassé quarter turn off on the right. 7, 8, chassé turn, turn rock cross, turn turn cross, side close step, mambo half, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle. Add on a rumba box. You're going to square yourself back up to the front wall as you step that right to the side. Left beside right, step the right back, left to the side, right beside left, step left forward. That's your rumba box. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a little weave, behind, side, cross. That set of steps once more then, you're facing the 130 diagonal, squaring yourself up to 12 with that rumba box. Off on the right. 7, 8, side close back, side close step, forward rock, behind, side cross. Add that to the top. Chassé quarter turn, off on the right. 7, 8, chassé turn, turn rock cross, turn turn cross, side close step, mambo half, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle, side close back, side close step, forward rock, behind, side cross. Now this next step is going to feel a bit strange, but you are actually going to cross your left over the right. Turn yourself quarter turn to the left as you step that right back. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a little weave, behind, side, cross, sway right, sway left. Now set of steps once more, crossing that left over the right. 7, 8, cross, turn, side, rock, behind, side, cross, sway, sway. Now the steps in that section, apart from the weave, are single count timing, so they're slower than the rest of the dance. But that is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, and a quarter turn on the end. Right foot leads. 7, 8, chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, mambo, half, half, shuffle, coaster, step, left, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, step, forward, rock, side, rock, behind, side, cross, cross, turn, side, rock, behind, side, cross, sway, sway. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Chassé, quarter turn, half on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can see what the timing is like. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé, quarter turn, off on the right. 7, 8, chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, mambo, half, half, shuffle, coaster, step, left, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, step, forward, rock, behind, side, cross, cross, turn, side, rock, behind, side, cross, sway, sway. Chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, mambo, half, half, shuffle, coaster, step, left, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, step, forward, rock, behind, side, cross, cross, turn, side, rock, behind, side, cross, sway, sway. Chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, mambo, half, half, shuffle, coaster, step, left, shuffle, side, close, back, side, close, step, forward, rock, behind, side, cross, cross, turn, side, rock, behind, side, cross, sway, sway. So that is your dance. Now there is one step change and a restart in this dance. Your step change comes after 26 counts on wall 5. So you would have just done your cross quarter turn. Rather than going into your side rock, you're doing side touch. So effectively, you will cross that left over, you'll turn that quarter turn left, you step that right back. This is where you would normally go into your side rock, you step to the left, touch the right beside the left, restart the dance, chassé, quarter turn. So that's your step change. Let's add it in so you can see how it fits. Wall 5 is our 12 o'clock wall. After 26 counts, side touch and steady your side rock, restart. Chassé, quarter turn, off on the right. 7, 8, chassé, turn, turn, rock, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, mambo, half, half, shuffle, coaster, step, left, shuffle, side close back, side close step, forward rock, side rock, behind side cross, cross, turn, step change, side, touch, restart, chassé, turn, step, veer, across. So hopefully you can see how that step change fits in. Walk 5 after 26 counts. So that's it, that is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your step change and restart information. Let's give it a go. 2-minute music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Chassé, turn, rock, cross, turn, cross, side close step, mambo, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle, side close back, side close step, forward rock, behind side cross, cross, turn, guide, rock, behind side cross, sway, sway, chassé, turn, rock, cross, turn, cross, side close step, mambo, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle, side close back, side close step, forward rock, behind side cross, cross, turn, side rock, behind side cross, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, cross, turn, cross, side close step, mambo, half shuffle, coaster step, left shuffle, side close back, side close step, forward rock, behind side cross, cross, turn, side rock, side cross, sway, sway, chassé, turn right cross, turn cross, side close step, mambo, half shuffle, cross step, left shuffle, one more, forward side rock, behind side cross, cross, turn, side rock, behind side cross, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step change, walk, mambo, mambo, cross, side, touch, chassé, turn, mambo, rumba, cross, chassé, Hope you managed that one.